Good morning, everyone. I'm Divyanshi. Today, my topic is nutrition in animals. My first question is, what is ingestion? The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. My second question is, what is digestion? The breakdown of complex substances into the simple substances is called digestion. My next question is, what is absorption? The digested food pass into the blood vessel in the wall of small intestine. This process is called absorption. My next question is buccal cavity. It is a beginning of alimentary canal. My next question is, what is gallbladder? The gallbladder is a small pouch that sits under the liver and it stores bile produced by liver. My next question is bile. Bile plays an important role in digestion of fats. My next question is villi. The walls of small intestine has a thousand finger like outgrowth is called villi. Thank you. Have a nice day.